Hi everyone, karibuni to my channel. Today I would like to share a very basic wash day routine, which is what I usually follow, and I'm hoping that it can be beneficial for either a beginner, a novice, or even a professional. Before we get into the video, I need to do a disclaimer. This hair has not been washed in, well, this is the 4th week, but there is a reason for that all the same. Yeah, so let's just get straight into the video.
I like to wash my hair in sections because it's easier. I had already gone to the shower and let water run through my hair for a while. That makes it easier to just manipulate. After that, you can see I've already shampooed most of my hair. So I'm going to just show you with this section. I take my shampoo and I apply it at the base of the section. I go in with my marine sulfate-free shampoo, and today I'm using a bit more than I would usually use because I haven't washed my hair in a while and there's a lot of product buildup. So I lather the bottom because I try to concentrate the shampoo on my scalp and not along the shaft of my hair. I then go in with the pads of my fingers and just use that to break away the dirt that is at the scalp. Adding in a bit more shampoo and again going in with the pads of my fingers. I spritz my hair because I'm not washing it in the shower and I want to help the shampoo lather faster. The clip is a bit sped up, so it might look like I am having World War something with my scalp. Actually, I'm being very gentle and there is no need to worry about that. After I'm done with the pads of my fingers, I go in with my shampoo brush, which I got from Super Cosmetics in town, and it's very gentle, and again I use it to just break away the dirt, and again I am just being thorough. Then this shampoo brush is actually very gentle because the ends are made of silicone, and so there's a lot of movement and it does not snag my hair. After I'm done with everything, I jump in the shower and rinse off the shampoo. Once my hair is cleansed, I like to blot away excess water using a t-shirt because it's very gentle and it's not as harsh as a towel would be on my hair. Then again, section by section, I'm just going to detangle and add deep conditioner because today I'm deep conditioning my hair. I use my hands, a wide-toothed comb, today I'm going to be using my Aussie conditioner just to detangle because it has a lot of slip, and my Mega Growth deep conditioner. So using a bit of the Aussie, I'll just detangle my hair, and for the best part I'll just be finger detangling, which is going to take quite a while. So after I'm done finger detangling for a while, I go in with my Mega Growth deep conditioner. I use a generous amount of this. I squeeze it into my hair from roots to ends, concentrating more on the ends because they are elders and we need to take care of them. I'm going to finger detangle just a bit more. Again, I'm doing all this because I haven't detangled my hair in a while. Then after I'm satisfied, I'm going to go in with my wide toothed comb, make sure that all those tangles are out. And when I'm finally done, I'm going to twist the section up and move on to the rest of my head. Fast forward, and when everything is done, I'm going to wear a shower cap and let the deep conditioner sit on my hair for about 30 minutes. Once my hair is clean and deep conditioned, I like to again use just the t-shirt because it's more gentle. Here I'm gently blotting out the excess water before I section my hair and move on to the next part. I'm going to go in with my Cantu creamy leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is just big. So I'm just squeezing that in again gently from roots to ends, making sure that my ends are well coated. I'm going to seal that in with my mixture of olive oil and Jamaican black castor oil, using the praying hands method just to ensure that the product is distributed throughout my hair. Then I am going to go in with my Pameri shea butter as my cream. And because today I am being extra, I'm just again going to divide that section up into two, pin away the section I'm not working on, use my detangling brush, which again I got from Super Cosmetics. It's very gentle. And again today, death to all tangles. Ha 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 ha. And of course I had to look at the bounce back. Going to twist that section and put it in a bantu knot before moving on to the rest of my hair, which again I'm not going to do on camera because it's the exact same process.
So the basic wash day routine is very simple. It's just shampoo, deep condition, and then just seal the moisture with an oil using the LOC method. I use the LOC method. That's I use leave-in conditioner, and that's Cantu. And then I use oil. The oil I use is a mixture of olive oil and Jamaican black castor oil, and then I finish it off with cream. For myself, I like using shea butter because it gives me the results that I actually like. So I'm going to let this air dry, and then probably by tomorrow it'll be a bit stretched because I've put the hair in bantu knots, and I'll be able to style it. And this is all the hair that I lost, like from the beginning of the process to the end. This, which for me still feels like it's a lot, but that's because I've been shedding, and hopefully I'll be able to do a video about shedding and how to combat that, using myself as the case study. So thank you very much for watching. Kwaheri, and I'll see you in the next one.